y'all. I hope you can hear me okay. I don't have my mic on. We had a calf born sometime in the night. But the mama cow, beef cow, she had him and he went under the fence. So they were separated. And thankfully, Josiah saw him this morning completely dry and he could stand, but he had had no colostrum. And then Derek came down and they put him with his mom and he was trying to nurse, but he just had no strength left. So he just kind of collapsed. And we brought him in the house, nearly lifeless. Took us several hours and we warmed him up, got some colostrum that we had frozen. We had heated up, got that in him. He breastfed, put some molasses on his gums, tried to up his blood sugar, and he's finally up, which is amazing, a miracle. But yeah, she must have had him right here. I see a little bit of birth evidence on the ground. She's looking for him over here. And now we brought him down to her, but she's not coming up to him because she doesn't realize, and he's not moving for her. So Lydia and I are going to try to push Mama up the hill towards him, and hopefully she goes to him. But it's been a morning, I'll tell you. I'm like, come on. He's a great looking calf. So I think he'll be all right if she can just get to him and he'll get up and nurse. So here we go. Come on, girl, go to your calf. Come on. Lydia, start walking this way. Come on, Mama. Go up to your baby. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Go up to your baby. Woo! Go on. Go on. Here's your baby. Get up, buddy. You got it. Come on. You can do it. Be strong. Don't collapse. Come on. Good, buddy. Good. Oh, I'm worried I'm out of breath. He's not light. There you go, Mama. There's your baby. Oh, there he is. All right, let him nurse now. Okay. Good, Mama. Whew. Good, Mama. Yeah. Good, Mama. Okay, guys. What is it? Oh, my bantam hen is not roosting in the coop. I'm wondering if she has a nest somewhere, but she is probably going to get it if she doesn't start going in the coop. But every night we can't find her, so I told the kids that they need to follow her today and see if they can see if she's a nest. If she's a nest, we're going to snatch her up and take her eggs and put her in the coop and lock her in. Of course, have an automatic door so she can still get out. But anyway, try to get her to sit on eggs in the nest and not in the coop and not out in the woods, because that's not a safe place for a little chicken. Anyway, we reunited the calf. Never saw him nurse, so she wanted to hide him, which I get. That's her natural instinct. So we're going to ride back on the four-wheeler because I can't get my van to where she was taking him in a little bit here, but it's time to feed baby goats. Today is the first morning. Will you grab this gate, Lydia, please? Today is the first morning that we have separated the goats from the moms, although the babies were finding ways into the mom's pen, but we think we've got them all blocked up. So we've separated baby goats. We're feeding them bottles throughout today. We're going to milk mamas tonight. We actually have our goat milk machine. The milk, we had the vacuum pump for our cows, and so all we had to get was the inflations to go on the teats. And there's babies in with mamas. This is not good. And the milk can, all that, to the pulsator to have a goat milker. So that's coming today. So tonight, when we milk, we're going to milk goats, which should be really exciting because none of them have ever been machine milked, and 2 of them are first fresheners and have only been slightly hand milked by me, and that was a little bit of a rodeo. So that's going to be fun. But anyway, then we'll let the goats and babies with the mamas all together tonight, overnight. And we'll do this for about a week and bottle them during the day, and then at about 2 weeks we'll go ahead and fully separate.
Can I start feeding them?
Just a minute. I'm going to tell you what I want you to give them. Okay, so they're getting 3 ounces. I filled it to 15, so
down to here?
12. Yep. So we got to keep track of who we feed, though. So I have the bottle. We're going to give them each 3 ounces. And I've got this with the extra for the other ones because we have 8 of them to feed. But anyway, after this, we'll go check on the calf and make sure he's okay nursing. Because if he doesn't nurse, we're going to have to get him and bring him back to the house and bottle him, which is not what I want to do. It's not ideal. I think he'll nurse. She's not a first-time mom. She just really wanted to get him hidden. So anyway, let me feed these babies, and then we'll figure out what to do next. right, guys, so there he is. Found him. She has him tucked in. She's in the woods right behind him, very curious about what I'm doing. I think he's nursed at this point. He doesn't look lethargic or anything. I'm not going to go down there because I don't think she would like that very much. We're going to come back in about 2 hours. We'll come back and check on him and see if he's up or if he's nursed at that point. We've had really beautiful weather, and then it's been like really chilly today. So that's when they always do this, on a chilly day, a little less pleasant weather. But anyway, he's looking okay. I feel like he's nursed. I'm not positive, like I said. So we'll come back in about 2 hours, and if he's, if she's with him, that's great. I'll just kind of assess him at that point and see if I think he needs more assistance or if he's going to be fine. If she's nursing him, I don't see why he'll need any assistance, but I just need to be sure that he's being taken care of. And she's not a new mom. She should be a good mom, be able to do this and take care of him just fine. So baby goats weren't loving the bottle, which is they've got to learn. We also were giving them cow milk, and it wasn't just cow milk. So when we put our cows out and the grass is coming in, especially with our fully grass-fed cow, their milk gets really grassy smelling and tasting. It's not very pleasant. So a lot of times we'll dump that for a couple of days to the pigs. And so we saved some of that for the goats, and they were not loving it. So we're heating some fresh milk to see if they like that better. I don't know if it's the flavor of the milk or if they just don't want bottles because they want mamas. But it'll be a process, but we'll do it. So Lydia was going in to heat up more baby goat milk, and Emma and I came down here on the 4-wheeler to check on baby cow, and Derek and the boys are gone, of course, to do a fencing job. And like, these kind of things always happen when daddy's gone and the boys are gone, and it's all the girls to take care of all this stuff. But is what it is. It's kind of a rule of farming, I think, an unspoken Murphy's Law or something. So made it back up. The property is very up and down, so we live up and the calf was way down. But Lydia is out here. She's feeding the babies, and they seem to be liking the fresh milk better, huh? Yeah. I don't blame them. So we'll just have to do fresh milk for them. And we blocked where we think they were getting through the fence. We have the board fence, and then we have sheep and goat panels that we've cut and attached around the bottom for the babies to not be able to get out, and on the gates here. I don't know if we fully showed you guys the pens Derek built. He built the section here, and the Nubians and the pygmy buck are in there. That's Captain Elvis. We're trying to make first generation kinder goats. We'll see how it goes. This goat is a registered Nubian. That one is not registered. She's registerable, but we don't have the right information to register her, so I don't think I'll be able to register her. Don't know if they, he bred them, so hopefully they took. It was challenging because he's much smaller than them. So kinder goats, which is what we have, are originally a cross between Nubian and pygmy. And then as they breed more generations, they kind of have their own breed, but you can do first generation, and that's what my goal was to have first generation registered kinders out of those two. Don't know if that will happen or not, but we have used Captain Elvis for his purpose and his job, and so we are going to be selling him. So if anybody is looking for a really nice registered pygmy buck, I have one available. And I'm waiting. I took a long time to get his paper transferred to my name. Should have done it when I got him, but I didn't. So I'm waiting for his paperwork to come, but he is ready to go as soon as that comes, or he could go and then I can mail that to somebody or get it to them if they wanted to get him. But anyway, and then we have all of our kinders here, and then we're going to be getting, at some point, hopefully this summer, we'll be getting a kinder buck, and then we'll be breeding back to kinder for that. But anyway, we are having a day here. It's all a day in the life on a farm, but some days are challenging, more challenging than others, but we're getting it done. Baby goats are the cutest, and we're going to be selling 6 baby bucks very soon too. I'm waiting for all my paperwork with the kinder registry to go through. I had to apply for my my herd name and tattoo, because you have to tattoo their ears. and all of that. And then they'll have to register all the babies, but we will be selling them. I'll be willing to sell them as bottle babies. Oh, look, this one is the cutest. He is a sweet, cute little buckling. Really pretty. He's going to make some really cute babies. So somebody out there who wants kinder buckling, that one. There's a moon spotted one. I mean, there's 6 to pick from. But anyway, I guess that's going to do it for today. We'll come back and show you guys milking on another video. Every day I'm like, we'll do a milking video today, and then life gets crazy and we don't get to the milking video. But anyway, we appreciate y'all. Thanks for hanging out with us. I'll get you posted on that calf in another video too. I think he's going to be all right. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what's going on in your homestead. Give this video a thumbs up so YouTube will know that you're enjoying it. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on the next one.